Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the exact place the tracking number lives so you can remove it cleanly. Open the order, message, or account page and confirm the carrier and tracking ID. Once done, make sure you have login credentials and the order receipt or confirmation number available for verification. You need those details when editing records or contacting support. This prevents accidental removal of the wrong shipment entry and speeds up the next steps, because carriers and platforms require proof before they change tracking. Next, edit or hide the tracking number in the platform where it appears. If an edit or delete control exists, remove just the tracking digits and save the change. If you cannot edit, set the item to private, archive it, or redact the number by replacing digits with excess. Make sure to take screenshots and a local copy before you alter anything so you have proof of the original information. Doing this protects your privacy while preserving a record in case you need to restore or verify shipment details. Finish by contacting the carrier or platform if local edits aren't allowed. Provide the order number, tracking ID, and the reason for removal. Ask specifically for suppression, a privacy flag, or account-level redaction. Once you receive confirmation, double-check that the number is gone from public views and that tracking still works privately if you need it. If things go wrong, such as denial or reappearance, escalate to a supervisor or the platform's privacy team and keep all correspondence. That one written trail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.